Okay. 5147 radio. Go ahead. I need to catch up to a pickup truck eastbound on Harvard. Flew by me at about 70. Okay. 5147 radio. Go ahead. Okay, I'm being told he just crashed out for the Dave's supermarket. He's fleeing. Can you get Cleveland? He's on foot. Black male, white tank top, sweats. Pulling up on you now. 76 Harvard. 62 radio. We got multiple vehicles crashed. He's south on 76. Off the fence, westbound. I think that's 74. 47. What's the description on this male? Black male. Sorry, black male, white tank top, and with the gray sweats. I'm on Classen. Over here to Clement. Alright. He's probably up on Park now. You get a good description of him? Yep, black male, white tank top, look like gray sweats. Alright, I got right next to you. Asking, did that look like him? No, that's not him. 47, I need for Cleveland where you're at. E74 in Park right now. We're trying to relocate this guy. He's jumping fences. 47, some kind of update for Cleveland? Alright, I'm in E75 in Batavia by the tracks where that ends. I think he made it back here. I'm looking. Radio 7315. Good. Rio 5147. If you can set up a perimeter, Cleveland got a K9 on the way. Okay, that's a copy. 7315 radio was the traffic for us. Affirmative. I had a caller reporter 2016 Honda Sonata was stolen out of Cleveland. Just hit a King Granger. King Tom X-ray C044 stolen out of Cleveland. If you can just check the area, I guess. Copy. We're all done, so we'll head up that way. Was there a direction of travel by chance? Negative. She got a phone ping. Copy. You just send the info to my MDT. 47 radio. Go ahead. It's just an update. We just heard what appeared to be 2 gunshots in our area. Don't know if it was him involved or not. 75th and Batavia still? That's from the gunshot to be a little bit north, so we're going to turn and set up another car down there. Copy. 47, update Cleveland. I still them on the phone. Negative. So 2 ministers here, K9's on site, so they're up to speed. Copy. 29 full radio. Go ahead.
It's really quick. The other male, 37, had gave him a courtesy ride up to Turney and Granger.
Copy. They're both clear from both those stops?
Affirmative. 37's a male with the Lexus was cited.
Got it. 2937 radio. Go ahead. You can send the paperwork over for those traffic stops as well, and then give me a CCH on the party that I wrote for the DUS, Gerald. Copy, it's all there. 2937, 5147. Go ahead, Justin. Do you guys need assistance out there? We're clear from our stops. Yeah, if you can float over this way, 75th Park area. I don't know if you made it through this far yet, but we got a couple Cleveland units out in the K9. This is 75th and Park, copy. 2912, you copy that? I'll go ahead out there with you.
Copy. I'm coming down, Greater Home.
Radio to Valley View. Good. Alright, near EAB truck 7951 Granger, we got a report of a MVA. One of the trucks pulled into the Valley laser wash. One pulled into Shell. Copy. Got 5147 radio. Go ahead. 7427 Park Avenue. We may have suspect in sight. Copy.
All right, 2937 radio.
Good.
All right, we're out in the backyard now off of Park Avenue. Looks like we have one in custody.
Copy. 47 radio. Go ahead. Okay, we're gonna read it ahead. So we're approaching with caution this time. Copy. Radio 2319.
2937 radio.
Go ahead.
7501 Park Avenue. GSW.
Copy.
2319, I'll be en route for Park.
Copy, thank you. Radio 7349. Go ahead. I printed a phone message. I believe it's 7310. 7310, if you can put it somewhere.
Copy.
37, CPD's got some units out here.
All right, copy. Newburgh Heights unit, who's driving 5115?
Me.
FD and EMS is going to be showing up, so we need to clear this roadway off. 2937 radio.
Go ahead.
All right, I got 74th and Park shut down.
Copy. Radio 5147, can I get a status update?
2319, I'll be cleared on here.
Radio 5147 or 62 status. 62 radio, we're good. Copy.
7315 radio. No report needed for this MB. All units be clear.
Copy.
2937 radio.
Go ahead.
Myself and 2912 are going to be clear. Put some caution tape up at the corner there at Park and 74th. 276, I'll slide over with 15.
Okay. Hey, Newburgh's in a foot pursuit on Clawson, if anyone can swing over there. This cat's down, so that's all I got is Clawson. Alright, Newburgh was in a pursuit. Actually, it crashed out in front of Dave's on Harvard. And now they're chasing a male on foot. Black male, white tank top. He's jumping fences at 74 Park. Radio check?
Check.
Okay, nobody wants to go help Newburgh out?
We'll help them out. What do they got?
We're going for the CITV.
What does Newburgh have, ma'am?
They were chasing a pickup truck for speed. It crashed out in front of Dave's. They're in a foot pursuit at 74 Park.
Alright, well, we got 8276 of us. You can just reroute us both. Right here by Edward.
Alright. Friday 14, we finally finished whatever this nonsense was. You can send it to us also. We're going to be coming for a point. Thanks, guys.
David 16, same traffic.
Alright.
Newburgh still, then we got a dog and route. Get a perimeter, one of Sky in.
Yeah, and Sam 14, you copy that?
Yep. Coming out also.
Our computer's running slow. Can you go to their area real quick? They're supposed to be at 7-5 in Batavia. The black male, white tank top.
15's in the area.
1624.
Dave 16 in the area. Did they give a vehicle description? I don't know if I'm with it or not.
Black male, white tank top, gray shorts, last seen north of 75th in Batavia. So you can send me that, please.
You got it. Nick, on the same traffic. Copy.
Lieutenant here from Newburgh saying the vehicle crashed over around 74th. Radio, I got a mill shot. 441 Clement. I got a mill shot. The male that just took off from Newburgh. Confirming that he had a white shirt.
Hey, where on his body is he shot at?
Appears to be the same.
You cut out.
South again to the backyard. Probably 3502.
John, are you back over there? Yeah, I'm hopping fences to get back over there now. Oh, I'm calling that. You can see you come in.
Well, between the yards of 7502, come on, and
All right, just to clarify, the male that shot took off again from you guys?
negative, he's on the ground. Just to be advised, it's the male that's taken off from Newburgh. He shot somebody.
Okay, that makes sense.
Sam 14, go out for chopper or HO operator, please.
All right, is the male at the GSW awake and breathing?
Line 11, getting info that the male who was running from Newburgh shot someone. He's still going, landing south from Clement between 7-6 and 7-4.
It's going southwest. Looks like a thrust ditch to the fence. He hopped south. By Newburgh, there was a lieutenant and another officer back in that area, 7th, south from where we were just at. That's male. He's laying on the ground. Can't see his hand. What? Hey, unit north.
Santiago, where are you at?
Just across from the male. 3510, 2 houses east. He's speaking with the command. One half of Adam 15 has eyes open.
Got perimeter to your east.
Already on him right now.
This is behind the address of 7502. Who's running fast?
I have eyes on him. I have him at the low rate. Santiago's going around the flank to get him detained. Johns, where you at? He's in the backyard, 1 street south of 7502. Hurry on this mule. Shot himself in the head.
All right,
And we're going to be at 75-7 Park.
all right. Are all of you guys okay?
And we're all good. This smell, something wrong side of the head. That makes sense from the shot we heard when we pulled up on 74th and Park.
Sam 14, can you get, sorry, fire at 7501 so we can get to his backyard to the padlock and those fence.
Copy.
Sam 14, you want Barney 14 to break from lunch and help out? Sam 14, where's that vehicle at? It's in Harbor.
Brandon, I believe the firearm is secure by 15.
I copy.
Alright, radio, make sure we got 2 EMS coming for the suspect, and then we got another victim still conscious and breathing.
I copy.
Male, the victim is shot
In the mouth.
in the back and in his mouth.
And 11, just for clarification, this male's in the back of 7501 Park.
Copy.
Running 14, we're going to be headed up to that car.
Sam 14, to my cars, do we have any cars over where the first person that was shot at? Yeah, Barney 11, I'm here. EMS is walking up. Alright, can you just do with him and get us out of the story, please? Or Sam 13 right now.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can put me out with this NBA connection with all this.
Copy.
Yeah.
Running 14, we're also at the NBA.
14, I copy. Can I just get a confirmation from you guys that Newburgh did not fire any shots? You guys did not fire any shots? It was strictly that male to self-inflicted GSW to the head?
15, and Newburgh, nor did Adam 15 fire any rounds. And Sam 14, they were saying that this This was not a pursuit of the vehicle, took off from a traffic stop. Crashed, ran, shot somebody, and shot himself.
All right, I copy.
718, I know you're busy. Notify SIU.
I gotcha.
1014, what time did the car call out the GSW to the head?
1632.
Arnie 11, put medic 11 in our tab, if you don't mind.
Copy.
4 Sam 13 to 4 Sam 14.
Arnie 11, transfer. This male has 3 GSWs, 2 to the back, 1 in the face. At this point, he is conscious and breathing.
I copy.
Hey, so did this occur outside of his house?
Blackwell is interviewing the wife who was outside at the time. I'll let him fill you in. But it looks like a yes.
Alright, because we got to tape off that scene also.
Hey, when I'm responded over here.
Copy.
82 to radio. You can show me right over there.
1641.
Barney 11, medic 11, is going to Metro.
Avon cleared, report completed. Put me at 7-6 in Park.
Copy.
Sam 14 to Barney 14.
Barney 14?
Are you with the MVA scene?
Yes.
Blackwell, lift that tape up. EMS is about to dip.
Alright. Sam 15, you want to shoot over this gentleman? Anybody with the victim while the shooting?
We're going to need a 1-man to go up to the hospital. MS is leaving now. Once again, they're going to Metro.
Alright, Sam 14, Nicholas to the hospital. Get further information. Barney 11, you guys are securing the other crime scene, correct?
Correct.
Alright, appreciate it. Kurgan, for your crime scene log, Nick 11 and Nick 12 are leaving the scene.
4 Sam 13 to radio.
Huh.
Yes, 2 things. We paged AIU, so if you can just make sure I'm aware of the update with that, please. And then, is there anyone we can pull off that's seen up there to help us block the road down here?
Charlie 14, let me know if you need me.
Yeah, if you can go to Harvard, whatever light is just east of the Daves, if you can block traffic coming west on Harvard, that'd be great.
Hey, Vaden, put your tape up down there somewhere.
276 radio label.
Go ahead.
Yeah, just for info, sounds like the victim might have been shot in his own yard at 7502 Clawson, and then ran north where officers found him.
Copy.
I do have some fresh blood on the sidewalk in front of the address. We're going to try and do an article search for some casings.
Copy that.
82, 81 arriving.
1651.
Sam 14, David 16.
Sam 13, AIU is en route.
Sam 13, I copy. Thank you.
Charlie 14, I just got up here. No other cars should be coming down.
15 airs.
For airs?
Yes, ma'am. Can you do a search of the vehicle and see if you're able to find out identification on this male?
Can do. Stand by.
Copy, thank you. 8276 radio for info.
Go ahead.
Key of the CAD, 7437 Clawson. Homeowner says she has a Ring doorbell camera, unknown about the incident. She's going to be leaving the scene. She's going to be driving the victim's husband to Metro.
I copy. Sam 14, can you switch to TAC real quick?
Airs to John.
But
Without rifling too much, we found a prescription bottle for a Jamel Lewis. That's John Union Mary Edward Lincoln. And the last name is
Lincoln, Edward, Walter, Ida, Sam.
Can you go with the spelling with the first one, please?
John, Union, Mary, Edward, Lincoln.
I copy, thank you. Radio, are you able to find anything on that? Male looks 5'9", twin build, dreads, middle-aged male. I'd say mid to late 20s.
Alright, I'm looking.
Adam 11 to Kurgan.
Go ahead.
Hey, you still on Park?
No, I'm on Clement.
Johnny, give me a sister's on harm. 7422. Chalky, your ears. Do y'all need help over here? Everything's cool.
No, it's good.
15, I think I found him.
All right, I copy. Can you go with his social date of birth, please?
Social is 272-08-7644. DOB 11-12-2002.
You said 11402?
11-12-02.
Copy, thank you.
If you're able to confirm if that's him, just let me know.
Radio, can you go with that social one more time?
272-08-7644.
15 radio.
Go ahead.
It's a positive ID.
Copy.
Hey, Vade, and that card just went through.
Barney 11 radio.
11.
Hey, can you make me the primary on this? I'm going to be starting up a felonious assault report for the victim.
I copy.
I had an A1. I'm going to head to the hospital.
I copy.
Where they take them, Metro or UH?
Metro.
Copy, thank you.
Sam 14, just to clarify, the first scene is on Clement, correct? Not Classen?
You gave me Clausen as the first scene. 7502 Clausen.
Barney 11 or Santiago, can you confirm was it Classen or Clement?
Clement.
My bad, Clement.
Okay.
The suspect he's technically on Park, but in a backyard.
Backyard of 7501 Park.
Alright, and then the first scene is 7502 Clement.
Correct.
Go on, is that Metro? 1708.
Barney 14 to radio enable.
14.
Could you just throw in the CAD that the occupant of King Walter X-Ray 4789 went to Metro?
I copy.
Sam 14, can any open car or detective run down a crime scene log to Park Avenue?
I had an 80s radio.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can put me down there. I'll be on the Clement.
Alright, 1709.
What's the CAD?
I don't know if I'm on a crime scene log. You can put me on there. Need some manual 745.
Blackwell, you got crime scene logs in your bag. I'll just roll over there.
Yeah, they're in the accordion envelope.
Dave 16, I got plenty and I'm working on one right now.
It's home at the hospital with Nick 11.
Alright, Nick 11, the CAD is 8243. 8243.
What's the address that we're using for the victim's shooting?
7502 Clement.
Thank you.
Hey, Blackwell, where you at, bro?
I'm closer to 7-6. I'm in Santiago Square right now.
I'm coming to you.
Sam 14, can you call up here again, please?
Copy.
4, Sam. 13 radio.
Go ahead.
Yeah, how's that board?
Popping off a little bit. I've got 2 timed out code 1s. One's a weapon run on Shaker. The other's missing juvenile. About 8 code 2s.
Why, what were the details of that juvenile?
A 15-year-old female ran away from home.
Any history?
Yeah, she's done this previously. The caller thinks that she's with a male.
Alrighty. How about that weapon run?
We got a call for a female that's paralyzed. I'm assuming wheelchair bound, that was throwing things at a house, and that she was armed with a knife. And then a male ran through the yard with a firearm in his hand. He took off from the scene.
All that third party?
Yeah.
Okay. Any code 2 of note?
Negative.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Barney 17 radio.
17.
How do we look for our scheduled lunch back at the district? Follow up for reports.
Sam 13. Negative.
17. I'm going to need you guys for this code 1 on Shaker.
Okay, copy. And the now time, please.
1718 is the timestamp.
Okay, copy that.
This code 1 is supposed to be at...
Item car. Victim barely speaks English.
I need to see the safety officer.
Adam 15, Adam 11.
Go ahead.
Hey, brother, can you get the information of the Newburgh lieutenant and officer I'm seeing over there on Park, please? Yeah, Johns, I got it. Appreciate it, bro.
Barney 17. I don't want to tap the air with this mouthful of a cat. If you need anything, let me know.
15 and Sam 14.
Yeah, go ahead.
I use requesting this to go off. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Copy that.
Sam 14 to members on Park Avenue. You guys can go off as well.
David 16. I put all the signature timestamps in there for your crime scene logs.
That is fantastic. Thank you.
Radio media is on scene.
All right, 1724. Radio to Barney 13 for code 1.
Barney 13, go ahead.
13, give me 1 second. I'm on the phone with Sammy's office. Sam 14 radio.
Go ahead.
Yeah, if you get this mail pulled up still, can you do some digging through alarms and see if there's any reports so we can find some family members for...
Copy.
Sam 14, what's the plate that towards the vehicle that crashed?
That was not given to me. I only got 1 plate, and it was a victim vehicle.
13. Sam 14, I'll call you right back in 1 second. I'm talking to SIU.
Okay.
Sam 14 to Barney 14.
Barney 14.
What's the plate of that vehicle that crashed that the suspect was driving?
Paul Lincoln Davis, 113.
The 26 Nissan.
Yeah.
Nick to the radio.
Go ahead.
I give you this name. This possible might be his mom. Shannon, Miss Bella. Sharelle, Sharale. Date of birth, August 21, 1982.
Copy.
Barney 17 radio.
17.
Yeah, can you contact EMS? We have a female here at 23 years old. She's conscious and breathing.
Yeah, what's she complaining of?
Well, she was complaining about her asthma, but she is conscious and breathing, but she said her asthma bothering her.
Okay, I copy.
115 radio, were we able to find positive ID for victim here on it?
I have not been given a name for him just yet.
I have a name in DOB. I couldn't find him in Leeds. Give me 1 second.
His first name Georgie, by chance?
Yes, George. I'll give you the rest in a minute.
Alright, there's paperwork on his dash of his Sprinter vans. I'm trying to see if I can find a full name and other information.
Hey, I'm on the phone with Vaden. She's got his info. Hold on.
Barney 11 radio.
Go ahead.
I hear you say that you were getting this victim's info already.
Yeah. Alright, I've got the victim's name, birthday, and social. If you guys need it over the air, let me know. I put it in the cat.
We should be good with this, the cat. Media being senior.
Copy.
4 Sam 13 radio.
Go.
Yeah, who's in charge of the concrete garbage cans on the sidewalk?
If I had to guess, probably streets.
See, that would be my second guess. Could you let me know that the one here on 7421 Harvard was struck and is now in the street?
I copy.
And then when you get a moment, you can hit me with that board again.
Holding that missing juvenile. And then 6 code 2s. Handful of code 3s.
All right, thank you.
Barney 13 to radio.
13.
Do you want to send us the domestic property pickup? 106?
You got it.
Barney 11 to that. The car is on this Newburgh assignment. If anybody spoke to
Fitchford of Blackwell, yeah, I'm going to call you in like 10 seconds.
All right.
410-68 radio.
6-8.
Yeah, I know things are busy. Any chance there's a 2-man available for a haul?
I don't think so.
That's all right. I'll work it out. I think somebody just showed up to take possession of the car.
Alright, sorry.
Don't worry.
Radio to Sam 13 just for info.
Sam 13.
Hey, that concrete waste bin. You said it rolled down the street. Do you know exactly where it's at?
Yes, it's touching the curb on the north side of the street, directly in front of 7421 Harvard.
Okay, I copy.
Barney 13 is arriving on 106.
1758. Sam 13, is it laying in the street or is it still on the sidewalk?
No, it's definitely in the street. It looks like it belongs on the south side of the road here. Side.
Sam 14, what's the cat routes again?
8243. 8243.
All right, Sam 14 to Barney 11. Can you add damage property to your report, please, for the fence? Yeah. What address again? Park Avenue. 501 Park. Got it.
Adam 11 radio.
11.
Yeah, I just conferred with Sam 14 on scene. He gave us okay for overtime. Connection with this.
Alright, 1804.
Charlie 14. 15, do you want me to use the same time?
Yeah, Sam 14 to all the early cars. You guys are good for a no lunch if you haven't already had it yet, and overtime.
Barney 17 minutes.
17.
Didn't get an ATA on EMS, did we?
Hold on.
If not, you could cancel them because she's going to go on her own.
Alright, yeah, it's still pending on their board. I'll advise them.
Copy, thank
Sam 14, do I have any cars over on Clemens Hill? Over here, so. Barney 11 radio.
Barney 11.
Alright, we're going to return to 4, Mark tagging under this firearm. There's a unit remaining on Clement with the crime scene. Thanks very much, assistant.
Alright, I copy.
Okay, thank you.
Charlie 14, the Emmy's pulling up over there to park.
I copy. Hey, Fitzroy, you got the keys?
Yeah,
4 Sam 13 radio.
Sam 13.
Yeah, is there an ETA for the trash can, or looks like I think someone will get to it?
So Division of Waste told me that they'd be notifying streets. I have not heard anything from streets. Let me call them real quick.
Yeah, when it gets dark, it's probably going to be a big hazard here.
Copy. Alright, Sam 13. Streets will not give me an ETA, but I advise that they need to have a sense of urgency on this. It's going to become a problem when it gets dark outside.
Sam 13, copy.
Barney 11 radio.
Go ahead.
Can I get that CAD once more?
8243. 8243. Yeah, no problem. I'm getting out of here. Everybody, thanks for your help today. I appreciate all of you.
Good night. See you, Colin. Adam 33 radio.
Go ahead, Adam 32.
Just advising, we're going to be delayed at the district waiting for keys. And 35 is delayed as well.
Alright, I copy. Thank you.
For 4 Sam 13, 4 Charlie 14.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I think this tow's about ready to get going here. Probably open this up.
Okay, is somebody gonna come down and switch out with me?
No, once he's ready, I thought he was. We should be good to open this up.
Okay, I'm gonna head down.
Sam 14, do you have any cars on Clement? You guys are good to go. Dave 16 copies. I'm going to open up the street.
Charlie 14, does somebody have the tow sheet for us?
Yeah, we gave it to one of the tow truck drivers. I don't know if it's the one with the flatbed or the other guy.
Copy, just making sure.
I copy. 1840.
Sam 14 radio.
Go ahead, Sam 14.
Hey, the last dispatcher put mom's information in the CAD. Can you give me that information, please?
I sure can. Give me one moment to find it. Alright, Sam 14. It looks like her name is Elena Lutz. She lives at 7510 Clement Avenue, Unit U. She's born in 02/06/79, and her phone number was not added into the person's.
Cleveland Metro 11 to Metro.
Cleveland 11, go ahead.
And we are en route with a 47-year-old male, multiple GSWs, 2 to the back, 1 along the front, 1 on the left side of the look, over to the face, and a 4th the left forearm. Still alert. Heart rate 79. Most recent BP 102/71. End total at 21. 98% on 4 liters. We BP was 82/50.
Cleveland 11, what's your ET, the Metro Main?
Approximately 7 minutes.
Copy, Cleveland 11, 7 minutes. Could I have a rundown of where all the GSWs were? Again, we've been breaking out, in and out throughout this whole transmission.
One on the thoracic along the spine, the other right, probably about the fifth intercostal space on the left lung side. The third is on the face, just below the nose, and the last one is on the left forearm, right by the wrist.
Roger, Cleveland 11. They will see you in the trauma bay at 11. Is there a ticket on that one on the arm?
Negative, is being printed. Pressure bandage.
Good copy, Cleveland 11. They'll see you in the trauma bay.